I think the main point that needs to be highlighted is the fact that this is probably one of the largest quay walls in the world to be constructed at 24 metres in an exposed location. It offers both a challenge in terms of its overall size, but also its uniqueness in terms of location. Going into 2018, in terms of delivering the project and meeting key objectives, we're in good shape. We'd mobilised the batching plant, we'd started producing blocks, we'd had some downtime due to the weather, however that was limited and it hadn't really affected the programme, and at that stage we were still online to deliver the first milestone in delivering one berth in phase 1 on September the 23rd, 2018. The key goals the team wanted to achieve in Q1 of 2018 were different for the various parties concerned. BAM International, their main goal was to commence and complete the dredging second phase, which equated to around 620,000 cubes of material, which was needed to enable them to get more fill behind the quay wall, which in turn would then allow them to commence the preloading operation. They also needed to start pouring the capping beam, and also they needed to complete the demolition of the existing breakwater at the north end, which in turn would allow the dredger to come in on the third campaign. Jacob's objectives were to ensure the works are being carried out in accordance with the design. As you can appreciate, this is quite an undertaking given the amount and variety of activities being carried out on a daily basis. It involves a team of divers, inspectors, surveyors, engineers, all working together to ensure compliance with the specification and drawings. This generates an enormous amount of paperwork that in turn needs to be actioned on a daily basis, and when combined with the value engineering proposals received from BAM, Jacob's contribution is vital to the project's success. In terms of Steven Rock have to complete the block casting. They also had to meet their commitments in terms of delivering the raw materials necessary to complete the construction. The main challenges we foresaw in 2018, having gone through 2017, were really the dredging operations, which that was key to delivering the next milestones of preloading and then capping beam. We knew that we were going to be doing this dredging operation during a period when we could expect bad weather. That wasn't totally unforeseen. Consequently, with the benefit of the experience we'd had on the first dredging campaign, we decided to deploy a larger dredger. That in turn enabled us to increase our output. We had experienced some issues with low productivity with a smaller dredger, so by deploying a larger dredger we were able to overcome both those issues. We also needed to ensure that the preloading happened, which obviously is vital to us being able to release the quay wall to undertake the capping beam. In terms of this, there's significant risk of blocks cracking. There's also a risk of the stability of the wall when, if it was to be hit by a significant wave while the preloading was in place, the whole stability of the wall was in question. So it was quite a risky operation really. I think we're already part of the way through this operation. Things are going well. We're gaining confidence as we go further down the quay wall. So hopefully, with the continuation of the weather as it is, we should be in good shape to complete that operation. I would rate the cooperation and coordination of the main stakeholders that are involved in this project very highly. As with any project of this nature, communication and coordination are key to successful completion of a contract. We've been holding regular meetings with all of the various stakeholders and offering a forum by which they can communicate any issues and work through them in a professional and structured manner. While I'm sure we still have challenging times ahead, I'm sure with continued support of Jacobs and BAM and Steven Rock and the other major stakeholders, we will succeed 100% in delivering this project on time. Basically, we're all working for the benefit of RAK government, and we've all got a vested interest in making sure it's a successful project.